the question in the form of trial balance. Okay, just he has given particulars and he has mentioned the entries here. So you need to identify whether it is a debit transaction or whether it is a credit transaction. So shall we do this problem now? Okay, put the heading here, profit and loss account. Okay, write the format, particulars, amount, particulars, amount. Okay, this is a format of profit and loss account. So he has given this problem for 5 marks. So first we will be identifying which entry will be coming in the debit side of P&L account and credit side of P&L account. Office rent, it is an expenditure. So profit and loss account debit side. Printing expenses, expenditure, P&L debit. Tax and insurance means you are paying tax and insurance. It is an expenditure. So debit side of P&L account. Discount received means you are receiving the discount. When you are receiving the discount, it is an income showing the credit side of P&L account. Advertisement expenditure debit. Salaries expenditure debit. Stationery expenditure debit. Discount allowed means you are giving discount to others, means it is an expenditure showing the debit. Traveling expenses, it is also an expenditure showing the debit. Gross profit transfer from trading account, credit side of P&L account. Okay, and you also do, when I'm writing you also keep writing, no? So office rent I'm taking in the debit side because it is an expenditure. Office rent. Okay, what is the rent of office? 3,000. Next, printing expenses. Printing expenses. What is the amount of printing expenses here? Okay, 2,200. Next, tax and insurance. Tax and insurance. Okay, you have to write here two more. 2 office expenses, 2 printing, 2 tax and insurance. What is the amount of tax and insurance here? 1,400. Okay, next, 2 discount received. Sorry, discount received is there. So it is an income to you. So I will be writing here by discount received. Okay, what is the amount of discount you have received? 400. Next, advertisement. It is an expenditure to advertisement. Okay, what is the amount of advertisement here? 3,600. Next, salaries. Expenditure to salaries. Okay, what is the amount of salaries here? 8,000. Stationery. It is an expenditure to stationery. Okay, what is the amount of stationery here? 2,400. Next, 2 discount allowed means you are giving the discount, so it is an expenditure. 2 discount allowed. Okay, what is the amount of discount allowed here? 600. Next, 2 traveling expenses. Okay, what is the amount of traveling expenses? 2,600. 2 gross profit from trading account. So here we will be getting gross profit by gross profit. Okay, what is the amount of gross profit here? 25,000. Okay, by this we have prepared the P&L account. Now you need to do the total of debit and credit. So here we can write in the rough column debit total and credit total. Credit total is 25,400. Okay, now I will be adding the credit total. So in this way also you may ask, this problem was asked for 5 marks. 3,000 plus 2,200 plus 1,400 plus 3,600 plus 8,000 plus 2,400 plus 600 plus 2600. So here you can see debit side total is 23,800. So credit side total is more, so I am writing in the equal column. $25,400 in the debit side and 25,400 in the credit side. 25,400 minus 23,800. So here you got a net profit of 1,600. Okay, this is your net profit.